We're back in the dungeon machine shop. It's I don't know, like 4:45 a.m. on the East Coast. I think we're done whittling on this for now. You get the idea. We're gonna take this over to my welder friend's house tomorrow. He's gonna hate me for this. Check this out. Yeah, there's about I don't know. It weighs a lot less than when I started. It's kind of cool. You can see all the water passages in it. Have to block off the EGR stuff. See, we chopped into the tops of all the runners. Alright, hopefully we can start welding on this soon. Get another carburetor ordered so we could actually have a pair. We got to make the bushing for the distributor hole. Clean the 15 pounds of metal chips off the floor and off of everything. And then we'll get back to you.